Ever wonder how your car turns hot air into ice-cold vibes? Let me break it down. Easy. This right here is the AC compressor. Think of it as the heart of your car's AC system. When you turn on the AC, the compressor squeezes refrigerant gas, and when you squeeze gas, it gets hot and powerful. That hot gas travels through the system, cools down, and turns back into cold air. The compressor is driven by the engine belt. So if it stops spinning, no cold air, just sweat. Bad compressor signs? The warm air. On loud noises. AC not kicking on. No compressor, no chill. Follow Jav Just Fix It for more easy car tips.